the army, you know the role of army. And I will also mention, because in UK, the entire COVID management has been assisted by the army there. Even in USA, the entire vaccination program is spearheaded, supervised by the army there. Although in India now, we have just received news yesterday that our central government has asked the retired medical army doctors or professionals to come and join at the to assist the medical emergencies which is taking place nowadays. Now, we would like to know from you your views on the COVID returns, public health emergency. General Chaturvedi, please.
Thank you, Mr. Lal Goyal. I heard the last about 8-9 minutes of Dr. Salam. He gave some very valuable points. As you have also given in your introductory remarks, it's definitely a very serious situation today. India is almost 3.5 lakhs cases per day. Today, of course, there is a little relief. We have got 3.23. But one is not sure because the results are not coming in 24 hours. They may be tomorrow, sudden rise. So all these, we cannot take it on the face value. But of course, for giving a little positive signals, these are good signs. We are having, we have already lost almost about 2 lakhs of our dear citizens. The world has lost almost about 31 lakhs. It is unprecedented situation. And there is a need. There is a need to exercise some emergency powers. If people are allergic to declaration of the emergency, so be it. But in case of war, the emergency is declared. In case of disasters, natural, these things, the emergency powers are exercised. And there is no harm as long as it is for the welfare of the countrymen, welfare of our nation. These powers need to be exercised and enforced with total vigor, because what you find today, it is unacceptable, unethical, and despicable. Certain people have indulged in black marketing of some very, very essential drugs, black marketing of oxygen cylinders, hoarding of vaccinations, hoarding of some very essential drugs. These are unpardonable acts. ये सबसे घृणित अपराध है देश के प्रति, मानवता के प्रति, हमारे समाज के प्रति. And the government, the police department, the law enforcing agencies must come with severe. There can be no mercy for such people, and they have to be taken to task. And also, one thing I must say, they are at the same time innumerable good Samaritan in our society, in our nation, in the medical fraternity, in police department who are doing a yeoman service to our society, to the nation. These facts must be highlighted. India is a nation which had withstood 800 years of invaders, 200 years of British rule, and yet we survive. And जो कहते हैं ना कि कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, इसमें बहुत कुछ दम है. The people of India are our greatest strength, and they have always come out winners. हम लोगों ने अपने जज्बे से, अपने पसीने से, अपने खून से, अपने त्याग, तपस्या, बलिदान से, we have learned how to work hard for the nation. There are people who have taken no money and they are working 24/7, And for the societies, there are some examples, they need to be highlighted. इससे हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के ऊपर एक अलग इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, प्रभाव पड़ेगा, जिसका कि हम लोग शब्दों में और टेंजिबल रूप में किसी तरह से हम उसका आंकलन नहीं कर सकते. They need to be, we need to ensure that our media, which is today for the last 7 days, is only showing negativity. When you open the TV, it's only oxygen and remdesivir and Feviflu not being available. These are not the things. Yes, they have a role to highlight to the government sources, to the people who can take action, must be done. But at the same time, just standing in front of a hospital and asking one relative of the कि कैसा आपका है, and he says something irresponsible. Let me tell you, I have all the sympathies with that man, but he's far from truth. He doesn't know how the doctor has treated his relation, how and why he could not survive. But yet, he makes an irresponsible statement which gets conveyed on the television, the masses, everybody thinks that there is a panic, things are not good, people are not working. Aisa is far from truth. I have deepest regards, respects for the medical fraternity, for the frontline workers, the paramedics, the health workers, the police department. Leave us out those exceptions which I said, which are minuscule 1 or 2%. The rest are doing yeoman service and they need to be recognized. When some of the political parties representative coming on TV, they say, what did you do in the last 1 year? It hurts. It hurts each and every Indian. हमारे दिलों में मतलब ऐसा गुबार फूटता है. I want to cry for these अनपढ़, ये पढ़े लिखे अनपढ़ हैं, और जो अनपढ़ हैं वो बहुत शिक्षित हैं, उन्हें मालूम है उनकी जिम्मेवारी क्या है, किस तरह से, and they need to now learn कि this is our India, this is our Bharat, ये हमारा नेशन है, और हम सबको इकट्ठा होके इस अनप्रेसिडेंटेड क्राइसिस को, अनप्रेसिडेंटेड जो एक प्रकोप है, विपदा है, इसका सामना करना है. There cannot be a worse thing when a president of United States of America, there is a statement issued by the US government which says that it is in the interest of the world that Americans get vaccinated. It speaks of arrogance, and this needs to be condemned by each and every right-thinking human being of the world. This is despicable statement by the United States. They cannot be the leaders of the world, cannot be, because they do not have any empathy for and compassion for the humanity. Despite that, it was only the Indian government, the Indian diplomatic circle, which were fighting this. They spoke at love. Not one opposition leader of our country, not one, who spoke against this statement of the United States. It is terrible, and these leaders of our country need to learn a lot. They need to stand with India. Let it be Modi in the Prime Minister, let it be BJP in power, but as Indians, we are one. It cannot be that some nation can say that my blood is better than yours. We will never accept it. It was our proud Indians. I'm so proud of those Indians settled in USA and abroad who took up this issue and ensured, Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, and the whole lot of them ensured that the US retracts this statement. And we should have all done it. A lot of Indians have done it. I can say I have seen it on the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, everything. But I'm sorry to say, not a single politician of our country, not a single political leader of our country other than the ruling party came up to condemn that statement. It is very, very disheartening. I'll talk a bit about the army, which you talked about. It is a very good step. Armed forces must get involved now because we are for the nation. हम भारत के लिए हैं. It is called Indian Armed Forces. And जब देश के ऊपर इतनी बड़ा संकट है, इतनी बड़ी विपदा है, हम जो भी कर सकते हैं हमको करना चाहिए. Recalling of this last 2 years, 3 years, जो premature of retirement पे डॉक्टर्स गए हैं, मेडिकल पैरामेडिक्स गए हैं, हमारी नर्सेज गई हैं, इन सबको रिकॉल करना. इसके अलावा I strongly feel they can even recall some of the experts on logistics, some of the experts on management, some of the experts who can handle call centers, some of the experts who can do counseling. These people can also be recalled. And there is a need now to establish war rooms at the national level, war rooms at the state level, the district level. Everybody must get connected, and they should be immediate and reporting both up the channel and down the channel. There has to be action to every place where there is a problem. The people must know it. It should not be that the media comes on the something comes on the media and then we react. Our people must do it, and armed forces must get involved. Our hospitals, they are all over the country. Their reach is tremendous. Their commitment, sincerity, and dedication is unsurmountable. I don't think there is any doubt in these things. We may not have the resources, but our I'll just say that जो जज्बा है किसी को मदद करने का, उसका कोई सानी नहीं है, और उसमें जब कमी नहीं होगी तो देशवासियों के ऊपर भी उसका एक असर पड़ेगा. They will see कि this man, he doesn't have oxygen, but he is still trying pumping and giving some medicine. These are the things, small gestures, which will go a long way in ensuring that the nation rises. Our जो despondency सेट होने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, और इसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल है इंटरनेशनल मीडिया का, and some domestic people also are involved in. They need to be taken to task. The time now is to motivate our people. Let not panic set in anywhere. India has done it in the past. India can do it. India will do it. ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलवेलों का, मस्तानों का. इसने सब कुछ हासिल किया है. हम ऐसी ऐसी जगह पर, वहां पे सियाचिन में 10 दिन तक वो हनुमंत थप्पा स्नो के अंदर दबा रहा, और यस, क्योंकि उसका सीओ वहां पे था, वो सांस लेता रहा. ये चीज हासिल हुई है और दोबारा होगी. Let me tell you, I am a little emotional. The politicians have definitely let us down. These leaders need to be taken to task. जिन्होंने देश के साथ खड़े नहीं हुए. I am boiling with that statement of America. It has been hurting me, but we will rise. हम साथ साथ आगे जाएंगे, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना. हम हारेंगे नहीं. इस भारत को सबसे ऊपर ले जाएंगे. Thank you very much. I am on my recovery mode. With your good wishes, I have come out, and thanks a lot. I'm really grateful that I could speak.
Chaturvedi ji, I salute you, Chaturvedi ji. We are proud, we are happy to have persons of your spirits and thoughts. India
Thank
needs
you.
peoples of your stature and spirits.
Thank you so
I
much.
Chaturvedi
salute
ji,
you,
very
Chaturvedi
inspiring,
ji.
very inspiring. We feel confident.
Yeah,
Thank you
Very
so much, sir.
inspiring.
Oh,
We need
Thank you,
leaders
sir.
like you in our
No.
supply system.
I think the nation should utilize people like you.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much, General Chaturvedi. So you have seen today how General Chaturvedi expressed his anguish with full of emotions. This is called patriotism.
This
He
is the highlight
he's-
of the day.
He is boiling with the statement, American government statement. After all, humanity is there. One side, according to General Chaturvedi, once they claim that they are the leaders, world leaders. This is not the leadership. That if you are at this distress moment, you are leaving our country, India, great country, India, and you are saying that we are first for the Americans. Who built up the America? Today, the condition in America, which General Chaturvedi has mentioned, that all the top CEOs of all the big multinational companies are Indians. The Indians are working day and night there. And he has also mentioned very critically about the opposition leaders. None of the opposition leader came out and spoke against the American government at this crisis time. Why? Politics is different. Politics, you have lots of differences. One can have the differences, opinion with one party or other party. But when the question of the prestige of our country comes, no one, whosoever, everyone is equal, everyone is united, and everyone has to speak one language only, not the different languages. And he has also mentioned that, yes, the country requires that time the expertise of the army. He says the government has taken a very good decision by recalling those who have retired recently, the medical personnel. But he says, why not call others, those who are experts in logistics, communications, so and other fields, so that they can also give the services to our country. And he says our aim is to come out, and he is very sure. He says we have come out with so many hurdles which the country has faced, so we'll also overcome this problem. Thank you very much, General. I understand your feelings. You are really a patriotic and a person who knows, who has served the country in such a difficult times. He has served. He says his blood is boiling. Yes, that is what is required today. He is also very critical about the media. Why media is only showing negativeness? Why not? Why to create panic? Give the positive suggestions. Bring out those things which are going to give positiveness in the countrymen. After all, this problem is universal. Everywhere the problem is there. But we should not highlight only those negative things. And he has mentioned few incidents, etc. But one thing is very clear. General Chaturvedi, as our Professor Dr. Salam, also wants more and more proactive role of the central government, more and more involvement by General Chaturvedi says of the armed forces, which as I also mentioned that in UK and USA and other countries, the army is playing a very important role. And we are proud of our army. We are proud of our all brave soldiers and the brave officers. So I'm sure that these views of General Chaturvedi will definitely go a long way and definitely will create some atmosphere, not some, rather the atmosphere. And although there was a media report that yesterday our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, met the General Rawat yesterday, and I think there was a very good meeting. Let's hope some good decision will definitely come soon. Thank you very much, General Chaturvedi. I am really touched, as our other co-panelist, Professor Dr. Salam, as well as Dr. C.V. Anand Bose. They all are touched with your so much powerful and meaningful outburst. I must say what you have mentioned is really, every Indian should have this in Hindi, jasba, that feelings, so that we can also overcome this crisis. Thank you very much, General Chaturvedi. I am also thankful to you, although you told me that you are not fit But because of the topic, you said, okay, you will join for some time and you want to give your views. General Chaturvedi, as you mentioned to me that you will be available only for 15 minutes. I can see that you have spent more time. Do you want to say anything, or shall I move to my next panelist?
So just one point. We have vaccinated 3 times the population of UK and India. Let the countrymen know it. They are all talk about UK that they have vaccinated. We have vaccinated 3 times their population. Why are these not being highlighted? I have got my first dose. I went to a government hospital. I felt proud the way they had organized it. There is only criticism. They only talk negativity. India has risen. India is emerging. They will be enemies of ours. Let's be careful of these enemies, because emerging India does not suit many in the world and our neighborhood. Thank you so much, sir. I really enjoyed being with you, and thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, General Chaturvedi. Thank you very much for giving your very, very positive points. And this point is also very positive, that we in India, we have done almost 3 times of the UK population, because we have already crossed 14 crores vaccination in India. Thank you very much, General Chaturvedi. Now I would like to invite my next
Sir, can I leave, sir?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, Dr. Salam, sir. Thank you, Anand Bosi, sir. Thank you very much.